So in this problem, it says the graph of the function f of x equals 3 to the x plus 5 is shown on the grid, and on the same coordinate grid, translate the graph 4 units down. So the easiest way to actually do this is to use the points that are given to you and then just subtract 4 from the y coordinate, okay? So we're going to take every y coordinate, like when we have our xy, and then that's going to become the same x, but then y is going to have 4 subtracted from it. So what we're going to do here, instead of 214, we're going to have our point at 210. Okay, here for 1, 8, instead of 1, 8, we're going to have our point at 1, 4. So here we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. That's 1, 8. And then for 0, 6, that's going to go down to 0, 2. So that's going to be this point right here, 0, 2. And then we just connect these points, and then we can go ahead and just sketch the graph. So when you sketch the graph, don't worry about if it doesn't look perfect or not. I'm just going to be mainly looking that you just looked at the points and you moved them down, and that the graph is actually created by you by hand, right? So I don't want any computer generated graphs on this. Okay, so now what it wants us to do is write the equation of the graph. Well, remember, from our transformations chart, we have, if it's a shift down, we're going to have a k value that's transformed, right? So when k is less than 0, remember that means it's going to be a shift down. And so remember, k goes at the very end of our function. So our new graph is going to be g of x equals 3 to the x plus 5. And then we're going to do minus 4 on the outside, right? Because we're not going to change that 5, because that 5 is actually telling us the graph has been shifted in the horizontal direction. So that minus 4 needs to go on the outside, because that's where the shift up or down is going to go. Okay, so this is going to be our new transformed equation.